Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can block ads on an Android. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. Now, the only place where you can block ads is on a browser. Okay. Other than that, on specific applications that you have on your phone, you cannot block ads on it. You have to keep working with the ads that are on the application, and there's no way where you can stop the ads. Now, I'm going to show you a really great way so you can stop ads while you're browsing on the internet by an application called Brave. I'm pretty sure all of you have heard about it. Now, the two browsers that I do recommend you using for ad blocking is Brave and Opera GX. If you're not comfortable with both of these, then you have to go with Google Chrome, and you have to experience ads because there are no like add-ons that you can add, just like Google Chrome on the desktop, where you can block ads. So as you can see, once I go onto Brave and I go onto whatever website, okay, now, as you can see, I'm on this article. Most of the time, as you can see, something called advertisement. It's not going to show up. If I keep going down, another advertisement that is not going to show up. It also blocks your pop-up ads that pop up, and you have to click off any movie website that you watch on. It's going to completely block the ads, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, but other than that, you cannot block in-app ads because they have another way of working that you cannot block it. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you